Make a healthy lunch with me. Let's start with some butter squash noodles and some broccoli heads. Of course, you're gonna rinse them first. And then we're going to add some olive oil spray, some garlic, and a little bit of sea salt. Cover and let them cook at low heat. Meanwhile, let's go on to the next thing. We're going to prepare our chicken with garlic, salt, paprika, some black pepper, olive oil, and we're gonna take our chicken breasts and slice them into thin pieces. We're gonna smash them with a hammer just so that the meat can be softer. We're gonna put them in the container and start mixing it all up so that the flavor can get to all the pieces. Next, we're going to put spray on the pan. We're going to wait for it to heat up, and we're going to start laying the pieces of the chicken breast evenly in the pan. Make sure to coat all the bottom. There we go. And we're going to add a little bit of water so it can boil, the water can evaporate, and our chicken can cook and start getting crispy. We're going to cut some sweet onions. I personally love the white sweet onions. It's one of my favorite ones to use. I'm going to add that into the pot, and also take some green pepper and slice it up and add it in. While that's cooking, we're going to make our salad. We're going to get a couple of handfuls of this lettuce blend. Make sure to rinse it out first, of course. Then we're going to use one of these giant carrots. These are the ones that I like the most. We're going to slice them up and add it into our bowl. Next, we're going to take a mandarin. We're going to peel it, separate the pieces, cut them in half, and add them into the bowl as well. Next, we're going to take our tomato. Same thing, we're going to slice it and add it in. We're going to add a handful of sliced almonds and continue turning the chicken breasts so that they can start browning on the other side too. Now let's make a salad dressing. We're going to add some olive oil, some garlic powder, some sea salt, some black pepper, and a couple of spritz of our Herbalife Mandarin Aloe. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of vinegar and mix it all up. We're going to continue turning the chicken, making sure that all the pieces get nice and brown. They have a beautiful color. It smells absolutely amazing. And we're gonna mix our salad up as well. As a mom of three, it's very important that I make something quick and healthy. So here we go. We're gonna plate our salad, nice generous amount. We're gonna add our vegetables to the plate. I'm doing a low carb option today, so here we go. And last but not least, I'm adding my chicken. I personally try to have 4 to 5 ounces of whatever protein I'm cooking and add that to my plate. Garnish it with our sweet onions and cooked peppers. Add a little bit of that dressing and done.